Hello there. I thought that I would share a little unboxing with you. This is a package sent to me by a viewer, gentleman by the name, and a subscriber, a gentleman by the name of Wayne Bean. Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it. We're going to open her up and have a look-see. My hands are trembling really bad today. There are days when I don't have any issues and days when the tremors in my hands are more obvious. Today is one of those days where it's more difficult to do, which doesn't bode well. I'm going to be going out to try to take some pictures, and with my hands trembling and stuff like that, I don't have a whole lot of expectations of getting anything sharp. But you do what you can, what you have, what you want when you can. So this is I think he said 36. Yeah. Thank you, Wayne. That's a lot of sick. This is 36 grit silicon carbide. Loose silicon carbide. I really need that. It's hard to find the lower grits for me anyway. And the lower grits is more what I use than anything else. And then this is a Baryonyx. It's not a Norton. It's Baryonyx American Mutt Waterstone. This is supposed to be an extremely coarse stone. We'll talk more about it and get into it a bit more on the channel as we move along. We're going to set that aside and look at this, and I want to make sure he did not leave me a letter or anything like that. It looks like he did not. Alright. This should be another of the Baryonyx stones. I love how he's got plenty of old Norton boxes. That's pretty cool. Man after my own heart. Yes, this is the Arctic Fox. This is supposed to be a 400 grit aluminum oxide, I believe, in a ceramic. Matrix or base. This has not even been opened. So that feels really smooth. So lovely. And we'll be going over these stones, looking at them and trying them out on my channel soon. Wayne, thank you so much for all of it. I got stones to play with, and I have some very much needed silicon carbide grit, and it is greatly appreciated. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll talk to you later.